wishing you all the very best for your job search in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, and especially in UAE, basically, right? So in this video today, I will discuss about the scope and scenario that are going to be in 2025 for digital marketing, especially. So scope for a digital marketing, search engine optimization, e-commerce marketing manager, or a e-commerce executive. All the roles is in demand skills in Dubai. As you know, in Dubai, the audience is vital with a different nationality, and most of are educated, and they have an internet capability. They are using internet. They don't want to go anywhere. So e-commerce is trending. If e-commerce is trending, then definitely the internet use, social media use, so e-commerce marketing is happening. So it's directly impacting digital marketing job. So digital marketing job demand would be a very high in 2025. So upskill yourself, learn some AI tools also, because AI is also really helpful for a digital marketer, for a content creator, for a graphic designer. So those are the job that going to be a very attractive and in demand skills in Dubai, especially in 2025. So whatever you did in 2024, and suppose if you didn't get an opportunity, didn't get a job call from HR, so now it's time to upgrade yourself, analyze your the outcome, analyze your performance, what you have done wrong and what needs to be corrected. If your CV is too long and lengthy, if you having like 2 year 3 year experience, so your CV should be around maximum 2 pages. If your CV is more than 3 pages, then you are doing wrong things. CV should not be a more than 2 page or a maximum 3 page. If you're having 7 to 8 year experience, like me, 7 8 year of experience, still my CV is only three page maximum. I cannot extend my CV to 4 page, 5 page, 6 page. It's not a book. So for a 1 to 2 3 year experience, your CV maximum would be a 2 page. More than 4 year 5 year experience, it should be a 3 page. And also your CV is optimized as per ATS, application tracking system. Okay, so put some keyword highlights, ballpoint. Don't use a irrelevant font that cannot be readable. Okay, so always use readable font that can easily read by HR. And the first of all algorithm, the AI bot, that scanning process indexing, no, so a bot can read your CV easily, and then your CV will be rank on the job portal search engine, because that is also search engine, which is called search engine optimization, as we are doing in a digital marketing SEO. So same SEO you have to do for your CV also. Put relevant keywords regarding your achievement, regarding your job role. Like if I'm a digital, suppose I'm digital marketing manager, I'm running Facebook ad, I'm running Google ad, I'm running TikTok ads here in UAE, Snapchat ad. So those things I will put. I cannot put irrelevant thing that advertisement on the ATL BTL, that called the outside the advertisement, basically the physical billboard. So that is irrelevant for me. So I can write I'm running Facebook ads, the Instagram ads, I mean altogether meta ads, you can say. I'm running Google search ads, whether it is Google search, display, video, YouTube ads, and all those things you can mention, and what your key achievement, what was the ROI you have achieved from your campaign. So all those things you can mention in your CV. So CV will play a crucial role in your job search in 2025. And then your skills, your knowledge, your communication skills, that will help a lot to get a job in Dubai, especially because market is too much competitive, and there are lots of nationalities coming together, good with a good skills, good exposure, and good experience also. So you have to fight with all other nationalities also. So you should be a presentable, right? So these are the things that you have to keep in your mind. And next thing, like the command on the upcoming trends in digital marketing, you should learn, you should focus other countries trends also and try to implement in your job. So you have to be curious to learn about new things, what's new upcoming things that are not existing in this market, and you should bring in your company. And then people can and watch other brands also in your field, and then try to implement. So these are the things that will help you to get a job in Dubai. And next a few more videos, now I will update continuous video regarding the job and all those things, and also the Dubai life, so you can explore more on my channel. In this video, that's it. So a scope of digital marketing, social media marketing, e-commerce marketing manager, or e-commerce executive, social media executive, or a social media marketing basically, and the graphic designer, content creator. So those are the things very in demand and a skillful job that are going to be higher in demand in the Dubai market. Basically, as I told you, Dubai is a global market and everybody wants to come here because that is the safest country in the world. Safest, you can feel like a home. I mean, you will not face any kind of problem. I'm living past 3 years, but I haven't faced any kind of issue here. It's very peaceful and very friendly country. So I would recommend follow those things and get job here. In for few website also, I will tell you Indeed.ai. Make your profile on Indeed.ai and Naukri Gulf, LinkedIn.com, or you can download LinkedIn app also. And there are too many recruitment agency, relevant agency from where you can apply on their website, submit your CV, but don't give money to anyone. If someone is calling asking money, that is a signal of a scam. Nobody will ask you money to get a job here. Okay, if it is a consultancy, so after that the final process and everything, they are taking certain charge, but it's not like that. If you are applying and then they will call, first give me money and then I will arrange a interview or something. So that is a scam. Be careful. I will not support that. Try from your country only. Try on Indeed.ai, Naukri Gulf, Talent Pal, Charterhouse. Those are the Talent Pal. These are the website. Bayouth.com. So these are the website from where you will get. And you are in digital marketing, so especially we can search, we can check the relevancy, and then accordingly we can do that. So all the best, and stay tuned with us. I will come up with more videos on the digital marketing, social media marketing, SEO 2025 scope in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah and other Emirates. So stay tuned. Thank you guys. Bye.